Man, oh man, y'all, what is going on? Price is gonna go up on these, I'm almost for sure. And we got an early look, man. We're just gonna take a little peek, man, in today's video. But if you guys new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Let's get this thing started, you dig?
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, y'all, man, look, I've told people before, and you know, I'm very well known for making this mistake. You know, sometimes I put bids in and I forget. And it's crazy because I always bid a lot lower, I feel like, than what they're asking. So I don't expect to get the shoe, you feel me? And you know, I feel like GOAT be with me sometimes and they just be messing with your boy, or whoever trying to sell the sneaker, they end up selling it for what I want, obviously. But you know, right here, y'all, man, we got one right here that I feel like is gonna easily climb up in the ranks as far as pricing. Now, I've already taken a peek at both of these sneakers, so this is the early look that we're gonna just touch on a little bit in the video. And this one right here, y'all, I've always passed on lows until this year, man. I was just like, you know what? Price has been looking good, and I already know how it is, man. They easily gonna shoot up to over $1,000, except for maybe one of them, and we'll talk about that too. But y'all see the box, man. We have the reverse olive Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, man, the lows, man. And you know, I also got the other pair of lows that came out this year. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to get the velvet brown looking joints that's dropping this year. I actually like the colorways, man. But this one right here, of course, as you guys see the box, we got the pink tissue paper in there. And I actually only looked at one sneaker, y'all. I only looked at one sneaker, but man, y'all know your boy is a sucker for that olive, man. And y'all see him, man. Y'all see these things looking crispy, man. I actually like this pair more than I like the other pair that came out, man. The ones where they got the black where it's actually olive. I actually like the olive sticking out a little bit more. That's me personally, but you know, hey, it is what it is. And we in there. Yes, Lord, y'all. So me personally, I feel like over time these are going to go for they're going for it now, man. Honestly, the only Travises that I could say really didn't do as well on the resale market was the 6s, man. The khakis and the olives. I mean, the olives were up there going for like 6, 7 at one point, and now they dropped down, you know, tremendously by like $300. They're going for like 4 something now in my size. I have those, and I like the olive, and I like the British khaki joints, but for some reason, I can never hit the lows for retail, man. I can never hit the lows for retail, man. I've hit the Travis highs for retail when they first came out. The Travis Scott 4s, I hit those retail. I got the British khakis retail. The olives I paid resale. And the canary yellows, I bought those for my G-Day, you feel me? So that was like a G-Day present to myself. But I love the vibes of these. You get that olive on the bottom, of course, very nice, well-aged looking sail midsole right there, kind of like an off-white vibe right here, creamish white. You know, that's the way I look at it, man. It's not, you know, it doesn't feel like it's like Air Force One white, if you feel what I'm saying right here for the upper. And of course, getting here with that medium olive, I like the touch of having the red hits on it. You do have the backward swoosh, which we're known for seeing on the Travis Scotts. Red right there, red on the Nike Air. Of course, you got the Cactus Jack right there. And then on the other one, you got that little smiley face joint going on, but we already know how the Travises be. And I like the fact that you did get the extra laces with these. You get the black laces, you get the white laces that come in them, and then you get some pink laces. And y'all already know Since the very first mochas came out, I think that the pink laces are just a vibe in the Travises. It just gives it a whole different vibe and it sets them off. That's just me. I've always felt like if they come with pink laces, they look dope with them. I put the pink laces inside my highs and I just never took them out. I've always rocked them with the pink laces. It makes the shoe stick out, and you know, people will gravitate towards seeing, oh, what you got on right there? You feel me? That's the way I've thought about it. But these right here, man, this was a must cop. I'm telling you guys, I do feel like these will go for over $1,000 easy. To this day, I feel bad that I didn't get the black Phantom joints that came out. I didn't want them at first, but then I looked at them and I was like, yo, it's an all black sneaker. These can go with anything. I wouldn't mind just having them. I should have striked when I said I was gonna strike on those, because they went from being like 4 to 5, like 500 to then like 7. Then the next time I looked, they were 9. Then the next time I looked, they was well over 1,000. And by the time they had already hit over 7, I was like, I'm not buying those. You know, I might have traded some shoes off or something like that and then picked it up. But yeah, I just wanted to share with y'all latest pickup, man. And I know people have already seen these. You know, they came out. It's not like this is like something new that has not released yet, but I had to go ahead and scoop these up before the prices went crazy on them. Y'all let me know if you guys picked up a pair of these. Let me know if you guys rocking with the OGs or if you guys like these. Now for a little early look, man. Little early look. Now I know everybody gonna be wanting these. Everybody gonna have them. I did get these early. This is a couple videos that I want to make. I'm gonna give you guys, I believe, 2011 Black Cement 3s. That was the year that those came out. I have those. I have the 2018s, which I still have yet to wear. But we have the Black Cement 3s that will be dropping this year. These are set to drop on November 23rd, suggested retail $220. This is the reimagined Black Cement 3, and we're gonna go ahead and pop the lid. Yes, sirski. I know y'all seen it, like the little goat stuff just fell out, but it's all good. We'll get all into the details and everything once we do the full detail review and on feet, but just taking a quick little glance at these, and we in there. And to me personally, y'all, just without even looking at the 2018s, me personally, I like these better. I'll elaborate when I compare them and everything. We're gonna do a video dedicated just to these, but you know, I just like these a whole lot better. Here we go, y'all see them, man. Black Cement 3 reimagined joints, man. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. We're gonna get a full detailed review and on feet dropping for you guys. Stay tuned for that, man. Let me know what you guys think about them reverse olives. You know, is that a cop? Is it a drop? What you guys think about the canary yellow joints? I honestly feel like, you know, those velvet joints that's dropping, I feel like those might be easier than all the other ones to get just based off the colorway. But then again, you know, because of how the colorway is, it could go both ways. I ain't gonna lie, man. I could definitely see people being like, they don't like them and then they go after them. For me, I actually want them. You know, and I'm saying that off rip. I want that colorway, just like I want the Jumpman Jack, the brown mocha joints, man. I think that those are tough. You know, I like the way that they look. I've wanted a pair of the Jumpman Jacks, but if I had to pay resale for any of them, it would be the upcoming one that's gonna be dropping. So y'all already know the vibes, man. Make sure if you guys are new to the channel, y'all drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys rocking out with your boys. Stay tuned for the full detail review and on feet on these. We're gonna drop a comparison for you guys. If you guys didn't check out any of my recent videos, we dropped the Oregon Duck, what the Ducks, you know what I'm saying, the home pair. We did do a video over the Air Jordan Retro 1 reimagined black toes. I think that they did a phenomenal job on those. And I mean, y'all, I cannot put more emphasis on 2025 is going to be nasty. But y'all already know the vibes, man. To the next video. Peace, love in Laguna Beach. And we out this thing, you did?
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these Black Cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom.